Hi everybody, thanks for taking time to watch our video. Just want to take a second and show you exactly what makes us special and great and how quickly we can make some money in this business. The part you have in front of you is a 2-inch wood blind, probably the most common window covering there is, and the repair I'm about to do is the tilter repair, where we're changing out the tilt mechanism on a blind, and it is definitely the most common repair we have. So you remove the old broken part, take your new part that you cannot buy at Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's a simple plug and play process. Most blind repair is just kind of plug and play. You just take out the old parts and put in the new. Once you get good at this, you can do this repair in 2 or 3 minutes pretty easily. And it's very common to have a household with anywhere from 2 to 22 of these that need to get completed. And there you have it. That is a tilter repair. Probably took less than 22 minutes. That is a $40 repair and a $1 part. Blind repair. It's a lot of fun. Thank you.